Hey there, garden lovers! Have you ever tasted a sugar snap pea fresh off the vine? It's like nature's candy, crunchy, sweet, and oh so delicious. Today, I'm showing you how to grow your very own sugar snap peas. So grab your trowel and let's get growing. And hey, if you're here for more fun and easy gardening tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. You'll thank your future garden self. Chapter 1. The perfect planting spot. First things first, sugar snap peas. Love sunlight, so pick a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sun a day. They also like well-draining soil that's rich in organic matter. Pro tip: if you've got heavy clay soil, mix in some compost or sand to keep it nice and loose. Remember, happy soil equals happy peas. If you're working with a raised bed or container, make sure the soil is about 12 inches deep to give those roots plenty of room to grow. Chapter 2. When and how to plant. Sugar snap peas are cool weather champs, so plant them as soon as the soil is workable in early spring. If you live in a warmer climate, fall planting works too. And here's a tip. Peas love temperatures between 45 degrees and 75 degrees for optimal growth. Plant your seeds about an inch deep and 2 to 3 inches apart. These little guys don't mind being close neighbors. Be sure to press the soil gently over the seeds to keep them snug. And if you're feeling fancy, soak the seeds overnight before planting for quicker germination. You can also use an inoculant to give them an extra nitrogen-fixing boost. Peas love to enrich the soil as they grow. Chapter 3. Setting up support. Now, sugar snap peas are natural climbers, so they'll need some support. You can use a trellis, bamboo poles, or even some string. Just make sure it's sturdy because these vines grow fast and tall. If you're short on space, a vertical trellis can turn a small corner into a pea-growing paradise. Be sure to install your supports before planting to avoid disturbing the roots later. Chapter 4. Watering and care. Peas don't like soggy feet, so water consistently but don't overdo it. About an inch of water a week should do the trick. And remember to water at the base to keep the leaves dry and avoid fungal issues. And here's a little hack. Add mulch to keep the soil moist and those pesky weeds away. Organic mulch like straw or shredded leaves works wonders. Keep an eye out for weeds that compete for nutrients. A quick weekly check will keep your pea patch thriving. Chapter 5. Pest and disease management. Every garden has its challenges, and for sugar snap peas, pests like aphids and cutworms can be a real headache. But don't worry, you've got this. A weekly application of neem oil or insecticidal soap can keep most pests at bay. And for cutworms, try placing collars around the base of your seedlings. As for diseases, powdery mildew is the most common culprit. To prevent it, water early in the day and space your plants properly for good air circulation. Chapter 6. Harvesting time. In about 50-70 days, your sugar snap peas will be ready to harvest. How do you know? Look for pods that are plump but still firm. Just snap them off gently. No scissors needed. Pro tip: keep picking regularly to encourage more pods to grow. A happy pea plant will keep producing for weeks as long as you keep up with harvesting. Store your peas in a breathable bag in the fridge, and they'll stay fresh for a few days. But honestly, they're so good they probably won't last that long. Chapter 7. Companion planting for peas. Did you know peas have garden buddies? Planting companions like carrots, radishes, and marigolds can help deter pests and maximize your garden's potential. Avoid planting peas near onions or garlic, though. They're not the best neighbors. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to growing sugar snap peas. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these plants are easy, rewarding, and oh so tasty. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more gardening tips, and share it with your green-thumbed friends. Until next time, you can grow it.